Today we used different expressions for organizing ideas and agreeing with statements. We discussed whether metal detectors should be used in all public buildings. You're going to use these expressions in context, okay? So the topic is the following. You're going to discuss this topic. Metal detectors should be used in all public buildings. It's safer. How do you feel about this statement? Express your ideas. You have 2 minutes to debate, okay? Ash and Nat.
Okay.
You go first, Ash.
Okay. Well, I think metal detectors should be used in a public buildings because right now you can feel safer in a mall, for example, because, for example, Jockey Plaza had a problem with that because people who has guns can pass to other mall. First of all, it's not safer, and secondly, it's illegal to portar armas.
To bear arms.
To bear arm in a public building, especially on a mall, because there are people, kids.
It's your point, but you got a point there. But for example, people who have a lot of money, they need security. Okay.
You are trying to figure out how to express it using English, but this sounds like Spanish. I agree, part of the opinion. There is a different expression that we use in the English language. You say, I agree up to a point. Okay, write that down. So I don't entirely agree. I agree up to a point.
Oh.
Include this expression in your vocabulary. Write it down. Okay.
I agree.
Up to a point. It means I don't completely or entirely agree with you.